after the first one, me and John, we decided to make it into a sequel, but we wanted best possible story. Unless you have a great story to make, there's no point making a sequel for the sake of making it. Eventually, after a long search, when we met Abhinay and my writer of the film, Parvez and Jasmeet, this story was discussed. Two forces of our complete apparatus, which is cops and raw, and deals with a threat which is a national security threat. And I think that was the best part about the film.
I think we wanted a film that was larger. The problems were larger. Problems in Force 2 are larger. And we wanted a character that's far more evolved than the antagonist in Force 1. I think for us, Tahir, checkmarked all the boxes for us, and we thought he was. I saw him in Mardani, and Abhinay and I kept discussing about Tahir, and finally, I think when we collectively, I think Abhinay and Vipul met him, and I met him too. I had the pleasure of meeting him, and then we got him on board. So I think the antagonist of this film is far more evolved. And I always say this, the strength is always here, not here. And Tahir's got that strength of character in this film. He's fantastic, and when you actually, when you see him, there's portions that I've seen in the film, and I'm speaking offhand, I shouldn't be saying this, Abhinay, but I got goosebumps with certain portions of his, and you really feel for this character, which is fantastic. And it's got so many shades and so many layers, so I think he adds so much value to this film, and the antagonist and the character in itself adds a lot of value in this film. जी वी वेरी प्राउड इनफैक्ट ये बहुत पहले करना चाहिए था हमें LOC की बात कर रहे हो आप जो स्पेसिफिक टारगेटेड ये हुआ आई थिंक इट वाज इट्स हाई टाइम वी रिस्पॉन्ड टू टेररिज्म वी एज अ कंट्री हम लोग बहुत ही टॉलरेंट है एंड आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम वी पुट अ फुट डाउन and we show what India can do.
Gee, I'm in complete agreement with John. It was actually a lot of fun for me, and it's something that I've actually been very athletic. Even when I was in school, I used to enjoy playing sports, and I feel doing this kind of stuff liberates me in certain ways. So I was really excited to do the stunts that were told to me in this film. I feel like it was just a carry forward from Akira, doing in the action space, and I feel this was the right film to portray a different type of action, more sleek, more stylized, very like amazing car chase sequences, high octane stunts and stuff. So it was really a fantastic experience, and I was matching John step by step, and he was very encouraging, and even though he made fun of me every now and then, but at the end of the day he appreciated my work, which is what counts, and I guess everybody was happy, so that makes me happy.
Thanks. Answer your first question, I really believe that no one is all bad or all good. I like to play characters as if there are shades of bad in good and good in bad, and that's really what attracted me to this role. जब मर्दानी जैसी आप पिक्चर करते हैं और आपको ऑडियंस का और क्रिटिक्स की अप्रिसिएशन मिलती है, तो like everyone is using the phrase the next step, the big game. It's important to pick a project that ups it in terms of everything, in terms of the script, the story, the action, and Force 2 checked all those boxes for me. It was a bigger project. It had the opportunity to act, and that's why I took it on. And just to add to where John left off to say that, he's liked what I've done, I would just like to say that I was only doing my second film, and an actor's performance really depends on how he's treated on set and, how he's dealt with. And I was dealt with no less than the other stars who are sitting, and I felt like I'm doing my 25th film. So a lot of the confidence that comes is thanks to the people you're seeing.
Yeah, they're very, very nice people. They're not difficult people at all to work with. And no, but yes, it's a dream to get a film to work with a cast like this, who's dedicated, who actually do not hold back in whether it's action, whether it's emotion, whatever the thing is, whether it's late hours, whatever it is, they have been incredible as a cast, and the whole team really. And for me, what is amazing is, as you asked me, what is the difference between doing television and features? I mean, at the end of the day, it's storytelling. That's how I treat it. And if it's storytelling, it should be the same. There wouldn't be any difference, really. As far as this film is concerned, what really was amazing for all of us, we actually did that together. whether it's starting from Vipul as a producer, John as a producer and an actor, Sonakshi Tahir, Viacom as a partner, Ajit. All of us really just held each other's hand through it and made it something quite special, I think. I believe it's gone beyond all our expectations, really.